Okay, today we are going to talk about metals. So you guys already know about those words. So what is it?
Bricks.
It's bricks. Good. What is it? Cement is good. English pronunciation is cement. Cement. Yeah. What about this one? Bricks. Stone. About this one? It's cotton, it's silk maybe. About this one, it's real silk. What is it? It's jacket. What are these made of? It's made of maybe cotton, right? What about this one? It's chain. So chain is made of iron. Good. What is it? It's window. So what about material? Glass. About this one? It's paper bag. It's made of paper. What about this one? It's boots. It's made of maybe leather. Okay. So those are today's our new words. Now you have to repeat after me. I will read one time. You will read 3 times. Okay? Okay. Materials. Glass. Bricks. Cotton. Wooden. Cement. Leather. Paper. Iron. Wood. Rubber. Good job. So now make sentences. Use the pictures. Who wants to say sentence? You can use those words, those pictures. It's boots, window, wall, chair, desk. You can say sentence. For example, this one. Boots made of leather. You can use made of. Window is made of glass. Wall is made of stone. Good job. It's that. That is made of paper. It's house. House is made of big sand, cement. Read new words.
Wood, leather, rubber, glass, metal, stone, brick, paper, cotton, wood.
What is it? In Mongolian, wood. Not. What is it? Paper, brick, stone, glass, metal, rubber, leather, plastic, wood. Look at the pictures and write your sentences. Who wants to read? Please raise your hands. Please read it like.
A chair is made of wood.
Very good. Next one. Second group, please raise your hand. Okay, Alvaro, please read.
A wall is made of bricks.
Read again loudly.
A wall is made of bricks.
Very good. Next one is.
The building made of metal. The building demand ямар гарч хэлээ made of гэдэг ямар гарч хэлдэг билээ. The building demand what's on there made of гэхээр бичаал дээр хэлж байна. This table of Okay, let's read. This table is made of wood. Actually made of гэдэг нь юу хэлээд байна? Бичаал дээр хэлж байна.
What's your shirt made of?
It's made of cotton.
What's your hair made of?
It's made of iron.
What's your phone case made of?
It's made of plastic.
Okay. What material is made of this chair?
This chair is made of iron.
Yeah, it's made of iron. What do you think about television? Maybe this one is made of maybe glass. Some of them iron.
It's made of wood.
What is
What is made of?
It's made of iron.